Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. I thought that the flood advisory update was the last video of the day, but it's not. There's one more Operation Weather update for tonight. We have a special weather statement in effect for Northeast Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania counties until 11:30 p.m. tonight. Areas of fog becoming locally dense. Lower levels of the atmosphere are very wet into the cold front that is moving the higher terrain. Up northeast Ohio into northwestern Pennsylvania. Disallowed areas of fog will develop with some patchy dense fog possible. As the cold front passes, the fog should move eastward of it. Patchy nature to dense fog will cause motorists to incur fluctuating visibilities ranging from good to poor in social distance. If driving, slow down. Use your lower beam headlights and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. Again, we have a special weather statement in effect for northeast Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania counties until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time tonight on this Friday, November 11th, 2022, from Jeffrey's Veterans Day 2022 from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. I did one Operation Weather today. It was a flood advisory in effect for Erie and Crawford counties until 11 o'clock this evening. So this is probably the only two Operation Weathers we're going to get today, is the flood advisory and a special weather statement for the dense fog. So we're going to remind everyone, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, as well as Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. We got over 500 videos on the regular channel page, like the holidays and occasions. We did one today to honor Veterans Day. Semi-trucks, we seen a bunch today. Garbage trucks, we seen one. Hauled a dumpster on there. We also do the Operation Weather. We have two of them, including one we're doing right now. And a lot more. Plus, we also do sports recaps, Christmas lights, pumpkin drawings we didn't get to this year, and all that good stuff. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. Make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. We add new train videos just about every day of the year. We got over 1,300 videos of trains and trainless videos to enjoy. Includes the Norfolk Southern, CSX, Oil Creek and Titusville Railroad, Buffalo and Pittsburgh, Union Pacific, BNSF, Canadian Pacific, Canadian National, Amtrak, and a lot more. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. It's supposed to call for a dense fog. It's gonna develop this evening. Usually they're calling for it overnight, but they decided they're gonna do it into the evening. And they're supposed to expecting, as we talk about, a cold front supposed to be coming for the remainder of the year. And they're supposed to call for a dense fog statement to go with the flood advisory coming up. And 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 then is this the second Operation Weather, right? Yep, this is the second Operation Weather tonight, actually. I thought the flood advisory was going to be our only Operation Weather, but no, there is a special weather statement for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties. This is what side of what side of Ohio and what side of Pennsylvania again? Northeast Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania. Okay, got it now. Are they calling? Did you get the flood advisory yet? I just did the flood advisory. I did that about an hour, maybe 2 hours ago, I think, yeah. But that was it, yeah. This is probably the only two Operation Weathers we're going to get, or unless there's a dense fog advisory pops up, we'll get back on. So, but most likely this is going to be the only two Operation Weathers we're going to get right here on Jeffrey's regular channel page. Because we haven't been on the Train Expert channel today. We have on the regular. We only went to the regular channel pages today. We had to honor Veterans Day. We had to make one announcement for Jeffrey the Train Expert, for the upcoming Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube next week. And two Operation Weather updates is all we're doing today. So, right about now, we're doing that dense fog statement is what's going to be now. This is, how many Operation Weathers we doing? Like 100, right? Yeah, we got over 100 videos of the Operation Weather. Yeah. So, Did the forecast for tonight say anything about fog? That's a good question, though. Thank you. Let's take a peek what the forecast, I'm not gonna look at the radar because I don't want to show the viewers the radar again. So, no, they didn't say anything about fog. It said tonight they're saying rain ending overnight, potential for heavier rain. And then tomorrow we're supposed to call for that rain changing over to snow tomorrow into Sunday. Originally, they're saying Sunday. I said on the last video, originally Sunday they're going to say snow accumulation was not going to add that snow accumulation. And this time they did add the snow accumulation this time, yeah. There's no snow accumulation during the day, but there is a snow accumulation tomorrow night into Sunday. Excuse me. Supposed to range around, supposed to get down to the teens the next couple days into the next week, and supposed to get a very cold day, yeah. A very cold night indeed. What's the temperature right now in the 40s? No, 57 right now. Feels like 56. Everybody's raining right now except for Northeast and Meadville. Titusville's raining. Greenville's raining. Erie's raining. Pittsburgh's raining.
I had obtained a picture of Dr. Dunch, and I faxed it to him.
Pittsburgh's under a flood advisory.
Looking for more information, Henderson also records a call that the director of Dunch.
There's actually 2 flood advisories for Pittsburgh. One's until 11:15 and 11:30, and they're both this evening. And Erie and Crawford's done till 11 o'clock. Does Greenville have an Operation Weather? Let's see. Oh, other than the small craft advisory, I mean, yeah, there's a flood advisory for Greenville too. Yeah. Every county in Pennsylvania is under a flood watch, or I beg your pardon, a flood advisory. Some of it's in effect till 11:15, and some of it's until 11 o'clock tonight. So, Erie and Crawford's done at 11. Anyplace else ends at 11:15. So. Alright, it's getting late out here. I gotta get ready, brush my teeth, and call it a day. So this is probably gonna be it for Jeffrey's regular channel page for tonight. Again, there's a special weather statement in effect for Northeast Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania counties until 11:30 p.m. tonight. It's supposed to call for locally dense fog, especially while it's raining. It's supposed to end the rain by 12 midnight tonight. And there's a lot of places in Pennsylvania under a flood advisory, including for Erie and Crawford counties as well. I only got one update. It's for Crawford and Erie, but it's all I got on there. So, but we're gonna get off because it's getting late out here tonight. And thanks for joining us here on Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Make sure if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube alongside Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. So, everybody else have a good night, and we'll be back on tomorrow or Sunday if there's any Operation Weathers for in the Wendry Way. Either it's a special weather statement or a winter weather advisory in effect for Crawford, and for Crawford counties, possibly Erie counties, or unless Ohio or Pennsylvania counties will get it. If not, we'll be on Monday on the Train Expert channel. Talk to you later. Before we get off, do you did they say anything about did they say every county's under a flood advisory? Yes, they're under a flood. Yes. Every county's under a flood advisory. Yes. From some of it's done till 11:15 and some of it's done at 11. I think the Erie and Crawford's first, and then it's Crawford, or not Crawford, but Venango counties, Allegheny counties, all that stuff won't be in there as well. So we have two Operation Weathers actually here on the right here. So, but I gotta get off for tonight because it's getting late. And thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Everybody else have a good night, and we'll be back on, as I said, if there's any Operation Weathers for any for in a wintry way, includes the winter weather advisories or special weather statements for Crawford, Erie, Ohio, and Pennsylvania counties. If not, we'll be on Monday on the Train Expert channel. Talk to you later.